A single bench of the High Court of Allahabad, Vidi judgment and order dated 31/8/2010, dismissed the writ application holding that under the rule framed in exercise of the powers under subsections 1 and 2 of section 73 of the Persons with Disabilities, Equal Opportunities, Protection of Rights and Full Participation Act 1995, the general eligibility to apply for facilities, concessions and benefits admissible under the scheme of the Act is subject to such conditions as the state government may impose, and the state government has imposed a condition in the order dated 3/11/2009 of Constitution of the Medical Board for verification of the disability. Even otherwise, under the rules, there can be a review of the decision upon representation by the applicant and fresh order can be passed. Thus, the certificate issued is not final. On appeal being preferred, a division bench of the High Court of Allahabad by the impugned order has allowed the appeal and has held that while the certificate has been issued in accordance with the rules of 1996, roving inquiry cannot be made until and unless fraud has been detected. It is not permissible to reopen medical certification carried out under the rules of 1996. However, the High Court has directed that a physical verification may be made, and if the candidate has not been issued certificate of disability or otherwise, or that he does not suffer from any disability so certified which entitles him to such a certificate, in that event the candidate can be subjected to fresh medical test, not otherwise. Accordingly, the directions by the government on 15/7/2010 for physical verification be construed in the aforesaid manner. Para. It is apparent from rules of 1996 that disability certificate is required to be issued by medical board. It can issue permanent disability certificate, or the medical board shall indicate the period of validity in the certificate in case where there is any chance of variation in the degree of disability. In case of refusal of disability certificate, an opportunity is required to be given to the applicant of being heard, and there can be a review by the medical board on representation by the applicant, and rules contains a provision to the effect that the certificate issued by the medical board shall make a person eligible to apply. In the facts of the instant case, there was a serious complaint lodged by Viklang Sangh of illegal usurpation of the quota reserved for specially abled by large number of persons who were not in fact specially abled and have procured certificates fraudulently from their districts under the rules of 1996. On the basis of the said complaint, government has issued an order for the purpose of verification of such certificates issued by the medical board, and certificates of 21% of selected candidates of handicapped category were found to be fraudulent. It is a settled proposition of law that fraud vitiates in such a case when a large number of candidates have illegally usurped the reserved seats of the persons suffering from disability. Stop.